today we're going to be unboxing another parcel. In here should be a rare pneumatic cleaner. Yes, I know a few people know hopefully what this is. So I've been wanting one of these for a few years, I suppose. And is it? It is. Yes, it is. So it comes with some crappy floor tool, which is not original. We've got tubes, which I don't think are original. Bend, which I don't think is original. Hose, which is definitely not original. And we just dish the main machine out here, which is certainly all original except the plug. So here he is. I've got a Henry hvc200 finally. Now this one is a late 80s one. It's a cool little snapped off, of course, and all that stuff. But it's got an original cable, although this plug isn't original. Definitely isn't original. But it looks sealed, so not sure about this then. No, it looks sealed, but I don't think it is original. It's cost me 40 odd quid off eBay, including postage, which is nice. And of course they bloody put tape on this cable and it's made it all gone sticky and horrible, which is not very good. But hey ho. But there's a cable. Put that in there. Let's open the lid up. The filter is Christ almighty. God knows what they've been using this for. See, it all stink, and it stinks like soot. It really does stink like soot. So, tell you what we'll do is we'll get a screwdriver just to see if the suppressor's blown on this or not. Hopefully it hasn't, so we can plug it in and test it in. So it's very easy just to access the switches and stuff. This is probably actually seems alright. That does. That actually seems alright. So that's alright. What's in here is very dusty. Undo the back here. I don't know what year this one even is. It's probably a late 80s jobby. No, the suppressor is fine, but we'll cut it off in case it does go a bang. What we'll even do it actually is we'll take the whole machine apart. Right, we'll have a look what year it's from. I reckon it's 1986 or 1987. This one. Sorry for my phone going off. It's probably Adam or someone. Oh, let me see it. I've told them about this. All the close vacuum collectors I regularly talk to. I reckon this is 1987 because it's a late-ish one. So, just want to double check. I don't know if to take the sticker off on the side. The dry operation sticker is a bit shitty. So let's take this over. Take that out. They always come off on HVCs. There's all the motor and everything. Take that out. There's the motor. The thermal looks fine. Thermal cut out. Com looks fine. It's very dusty inside, of course. Very well used. Let's just take it out there like that. So it is 7th of the 7th, 1987. Just as I had guessed. So just put it there, like that. So it is very dirty. Look, it is manky. together. That's it. It all should slot all back together. Hopefully, like that. Now, I did have one of these many years ago, and it's pressure glue in it, and I threw it away. I can warp it. So, sorry for background noise, anything. Now, so let's just screw this back together, and let's. Oh, sorry for the background noise. Right, so let's just screw this back together. We'll chop the suppressor off, and yeah, we'll test it, shall we? So, let's go get some wire cutters quickly. Also, I have this sitting here, ready, cable hook. Sorry about that. So, it's just, these are a pain to take off, these are, because they're fucking, it's just, let's screw all this off here. So, I might even have to put a new thing on this. Those terminals. I don't want this going bang, because they do like to blow on the pneumatics, these style. So there we go. It's all removed. So this should go really nicely with my NV200. And also, I might be cheeky and put chrome casters on it, because I have a spare metal base chrome casters that I bought again off of eBay. Oh. And I might be cheeky and make it look like a 1983 one, not 1987. Right, so it's gone, hook in, top cover on, cover goes on there. It's in very nice condition. Sorry Adam, but this one's in better condition than yours. And I think, yeah, I do have a hose coming as well. A proper original hose from a good friend, in fact, Hoover Master. Go subscribe to his channel. Sorry for the loads of background noise. These all, yeah, that one's definitely disintegrating. Go in the dustbin. So let me just put this all back in here. So I do like the feel of these HVCs. They do feel slightly better quality, and my carpet stained with that bloody rubbish. They do feel better quality, these older pneumatics, than the newer style. Even like the late 90s of this style, they feel way better quality. So put this back together. We'll give it a test. That's it. So it's all back together. So I'm a piece of rubbish in the filter. So let's turn him on, shall we? See how he'll run. Now, I'm not expecting anything good or bad. Apparently he doesn't run very nice. Ooh, that runs horrible. So, yeah. Right, we'll sort him out. It's probably bearings. That definitely sounds like bearings, that does. And him, he sounds horrible. So, yeah. But we'll sort it out. I can rebuild these motors and then in these anyway. Very easy. So it's a refurb for me to do over this weekend. So, there we go. There was hvc200 Henry unboxing. Hope you all enjoyed. If you have, please like and subscribe if you've not subscribed already. And yeah, bye for now.